Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Now, this is the third video in my haul. Yes, I know I've gone crazy, but the new mini catalogue goes live beginning of August, and as a demonstrator we could order, so I did, and I've done 2 haul videos already showing you everything I got from this catalogue. Beginning of August, Stampin' Up are having their second celebration of the year. Now, during celebration, of every £45 you spend either on the annual catalogue or this mini catalogue, you can choose a free item here in the celebration catalogue. And as a demonstrator, we could pre-earn celebration goodies. So I did. So I wanted to quickly show you what I earned in celebration. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this paper. And this is the Dazzling speciality paper. I'm sorry about the noise. Come up, and you can see you get this gorgeous paper here, just to show you what you get. Really pretty, all of those. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. So there we go. How many sheets? You get 8 sheets in there. Then the next thing we could order was the beautifully penned designer series paper, and this matches the hand pen suite in the annual catalogue and the hand pen paper. So here you get 4 sheets of each design. So you've got that one, and then that one, and this last one here. And you can see they're all black and white. Now this is a great usable background as well, and I think these will coordinate really well together. You know, look at that, they coordinate beautifully together. So that's the hand penned designer series paper. Okay, and then I've got this one of these is open. I managed to order 2. This is, what's this called? Peaceful Prince, and this coordinates with the deer set in the annual catalogue, which you'll be able to see in my first video. So we've got this gorgeous check. This can be used any time of the year, and same with these trees, you know, with the trunks. Really pretty. Again, a lovely check you could use any time. And these again are 2 of each design. I really like this. This will just be gorgeous for any time of the year. As far as I'm concerned, it doesn't have to be Christmas. Really pretty again. And then, oh, I love this. This is gorgeous. So there you go. And the colours in that were basic black, cherry cobbler, garden green, real red, and Sahara sand. So then I've also got this. Yeah, I know it's penguins in July, but as a good friend of mine says, and who's absolutely penguin mad, penguins are not just for Christmas. So this penguin suite, these penguins actually coordinate with this product in the annual catalogue, the penguin catalogue in the annual catalogue. So you can buy in the mini catalogue rather, so you can buy the stamp set and the punch, and then you can get the paper for free. So that's really cool. So let me show you. You get 2 of each design again. Really lovely. Such sweet. Oh, this looks delicious. And again, something like this doesn't have to be Christmas. That could be any time of the year. So that is the penguin paper, and it's called Penguin Playmates. And the colours there were basic black, balmy blue, calypso coral, fresh freesia, just jade, misty moonlight, and soft sea foam. Okay, and then I have a few other things to show you quickly. And there's a stamp set called Feels Like Home, and you've got this gorgeous one here called Delicate Dahlias. Really cute. And then you've got this one called Counting Sheep, and then this is a die set, And then you've got this one, texture frames. And then you've got this one here called Summer Shadow Dies, and this coordinates with the Summer Shadow stamp set in the annual catalogue. Now some of these like this are, you need to spend £90 to get this one for free. These ones and all the paper is £45 spend, but that's all explained in the catalogue. If you want a copy of the catalogues, just leave me a comment below or hop onto my website and click on the contact me button, and you can request a catalogue that way as well, and I'll get one out to you ASAP. So those are the catalogues. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, they are linked below, so please do go and check those out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.